Hi. I'm currently doing the garden, the home garden. So right now I'm doing the wormery. I'll show you it. The wormery hasn't been touched for a while. So is there any worms in it? It's a bit of a mess at the moment. This is the wormery. Let's get my gloves on. Saw these little white flies. So I started putting some stuff in. I don't really touch it. Where's my shovel? So you can see any worms. Oh, there is worms in it. There's a worm. Oh, a lot of worms in it. Are you sniffing, Caspi? Are you sniffing? Whoa. That's good. Take the top layer off. Look at all these. I was just looking at. Saw some worms in there. You shouldn't be in this bit. I guess I'll let you off. Oh god, let me. I've just emptied all that out. And there's loads of eggshells. So, eggshells must take quite a while to compost. This is the third layer. I'm going to take the slugs and the snails out because I don't want them near my hostas. Right, is there any shells at the bottom of this one? Yeah, there is. Maybe I shouldn't put shells in it anymore. This is quite very old eggshells as well. So I haven't been in it for ages, apart from the top one. This is what it looks like at the bottom. And that is why the tap wasn't working anymore. That's some stuff I saved from before, when it was working. That's normally what I keep underneath it because it leaks a bit. Have to rinse all this out then. Oh, the legs are fell off. Should I rinse it out or scoop it out? That is back there, all cleaned out. Chap is actually working. I'm going to put that on top now. So I just put some cardboard and stuff in because it was very sloppy. I've took, what did I take out? was that? I took out the stuff, some stuff that wasn't rotted. And then I'll start putting the fresh stuff in this one. So that is there, all back and going. Put that there for now until I need to use it. Before I go, I just wanted to look on the website where I got my wormery from. They don't have this particular wormery anymore. They've got newer models because I got this well over 10 years ago, maybe even 15 or more. They do sell the sheets for the top of this wormery that I've got, and you can still buy worms and feed and all sorts of things. They do lots of things now compared to what they did back then when I got this. As you can see, they do mealworms and mealworm kits and things, I think. But you can get new wormeries now. So I'm just clicking on this section to try and find the new wormeries that they do for worm composting, and they do a lot. They do underground ones and in-ground ones, I mean, and all sorts. And there's a quick look of what they do. And this video obviously isn't sponsored or anything, it's just, it was like the first company to make wormeries that you can buy, as far as I know, because I got this years and years ago. And look how much they do now, it's amazing. So you can buy like proper starter kits and everything, and if you just click on one, it tells you what they come with. And it looks quite fancy, doesn't it, the new ones compared to mine, but I still love my wormery. And we might as well find some advice on how to look after your wormery and all sorts of things it's got on here. They've got their own videos and all sorts, pond stuff as well. Wow, they do a lot now. So it's like got this quick start guide, which I am having a look now here, and when I recorded this, I'm going to have a proper look again later, because it's just like a refresher course for the wormery. And all that's like the setup when you get the worms and the cocoa stuff. And there's stuff that you can put in it, and as you can see it says crushed up eggshells. So I think my eggshells were crushed up, but not really. They probably were just in half and they just happened to get a little bit crushed. So I basically like crush them up a lot if it helps with digestion. And anyway, yeah, it's got all the stuff to look after them. It tells you about the tea that you can collect, which is like the juice that comes out, which is really, really good for your plants, and I can't wait to start doing that again. And then at the end, harvesting it all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.